picture of the Irish in America. Well, this episode marks the end of our 2010 our interviews for the year 2010 at the Browns Irish Street Fair. I'd like to thank everybody for taking the time to talk, and I hope that it might have solved some curious questions some folks might have, and not just locally but internationally even. And maybe someday they will play these recordings back and understand a little bit more about what we were like. You know what I'm saying? But now let's get on with the very last interview. My thanks to Brown's Market and Deli for letting us do this, and to each and every person that did an interview. Now let's get on with it. The very last interview for 2010. Well, here we are at the Irish Roots Cafe. We're at Brown's Irish Festival at 2010, and they're the oldest Irish-run business in North America. We know the story about that. We've got another interview. We've met run into something very unique here. It's a different kind of band that might play some Irish music from the old days, and we've got a friend here to explain it to us. Why don't you tell us who you are and exactly what you do?
Well, my name is Liza Zimbrunnan, and I'm the director and arranger of a brass trio group called the Gaelic Brass. Now, we play music from Scotland, Ireland, Wales, and England. We have mostly Scottish and Irish tunes, and all the songs are traditional tunes that I've made modern arrangements of. And I formed this band because I love Irish music. I love Ewan MacCowell, Gaelic Storm, Kate Rusby. Love those singers and songwriters, and so I wanted to do something like that, but with a brass instrument, because I'm a trumpet player.
So you're the trumpet. What other kind of brass do you have?
We have 2 trumpets and a trombone.
Oh my God, it must be a unique sound. I hope we get to hear you before you leave.
Oh, we can play one more song up there.
Oh, good. That'd be great. I'll try to record a little bit of that if it's legal. And what were some of the names of the songs that you've got down?
We have, let's see, Courtin' in the Kitchen, Barnyards of Delgady, What Would You Do with the Drunken Sailor? We have lots of Irish ones. I can't think of them all off the top of my head. Bridges Full of Stitches, Tim Finnegan's Wake, Wallflowers.
Well, what was the name of your group again, and how do people get a hold of you?
The name of the group is Gaelic Brass, and you can go to www.gaelicbrass.com, and Gaelic as in Gaelic, brass.com. And you can find all the information on how to contact me there. You can hire us or just have us play. We busk. So.
And how far would you go to do a gig?
Depends on the pay. We'll go pretty far if we're going to get paid.
Okay, great. Well, we're lucky to have you here today, and I hope I hear you in a little bit. Why don't you sign off with a few words and who you were again? My
name's Liza Zimbrunnan, and with the Gaelic Brass, and we appreciate all you that listen to us.
I've got 10 cents for Danny Boy.
All right, 10 cents for Danny Boy. Can anybody beat that to not play Danny Boy? All right, I guess everyone wants to hear Danny Boy. Even if you don't bid on this, your tips are always appreciated. We are starving musicians, well, some of us are.
I'm hungry.
And so, thank you for listening to the Gaelic Brass. Here is Danny Boy.
I'm going to play Londonderry Air instead.
Don't tell him it's the same thing.
Well, that's it, folks. This is the Irish Roots Cafe down by the river where Ireland met America. And it's been a lot of fun, and we'll be back next year with something about our fine people in this country, or maybe in Australia or Canada or England or anywhere in the world. So be sure to contact us if you got an idea to do a story about the Irish in your area. This is Mike OLaughlin signing off for the Irish Roots Cafe at www.irishroots.com.